These two tattoos were applied 7 days ago. They've broken down now, so we're ready to remove them from the skin. The tattoo on the top is a traditional temporary tattoo that we're all familiar with. I'll apply some alcohol on a paper towel, and I'll also apply some alcohol to the Japanese paper tattoo. We'll allow that to stand for a few seconds, and then we'll remove it. Alright, the alcohol has been on both tattoos for 10 or 15 seconds, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the alcohol and rub. And you'll notice that the traditional tattoo is coming off pretty well. But doing the same thing to the Japanese paper tattoo, you'll notice it's not responding very well to it. It's still staying there. So we're going to give this a few more seconds, and then we'll come back and finish the job. Alright, one more little application with the alcohol where the traditional temporary tattoo was, and again over the Japanese paper tattoo. Again, we're not having much results. The exception of the blue field up here, there's just really not much of anything breaking down on the paper tattoo. So when I come back, we'll show you how to take that off. To remove the Japanese paper tattoo, you need to use an oil of some sort. That can be anything from cold cream, even mineral oil, even cooking oil will work. In this case, of course, we're using baby oil. I'm adding a little bit of baby oil and dabbing it in. You'll see we're starting to get a little bit of it off onto the paper towel. But we're going to let that set up for maybe a minute or two, then it should completely come off with another application. Now that we've allowed the baby oil to fit in a little bit, we're going to add a little bit more to our paper towel, and now with a little bit of rubbing, it starts coming right off. So that illustrates the difference in the manufacturing process between a Japanese paper tattoo and a traditional temporary tattoo. And that also gives you an idea of why the Japanese paper tattoos look better on the skin and last longer on the skin. And that concludes the demonstration on how to remove temporary tattoos.